Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So the dollar yen is dumping really hard, mostly because of the yen. This is definitely more of a yen move than a dollar move. I think we have the end of a pullback right here. I also think this is the end of a pullback on the weekly and the daily up here, so it could be a wave one and it could be a wave two. It made one, two, three waves up W, one, two, three waves down X, one, two, three waves up Y, one, two, three waves X, one, two, three waves Z. So I think this is potentially a WXYXZ pattern for the wave two. If that's true, then this may now continue the downtrend. It may make lower lows, lower highs in a big wave three. So we definitely want to be bearish. We definitely want to be looking for sorts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short now. I would definitely be looking for sorts on these little pullbacks that we see, one, two, three wave pullbacks. So right now the strategy is to either be short already, looking for exits, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for more one, two, three wave pullbacks for more entries to go short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.